Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing 3 simple drinks you can have first thing in the morning to boost digestion and start your day feeling amazing. Option 1. Warm lemon water. Start your day with a glass of warm water and the juice of half a lemon. This helps stimulate digestion, detoxify your liver, and kickstart your metabolism. It also helps balance your body's pH levels and can give your skin a nice glow. Option 2. Apple cider vinegar drink. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of warm water. Apple cider vinegar can help balance stomach acidity, improve gut health, and regulate blood sugar levels. If you're new to apple cider vinegar, start with a small amount and gradually increase it. Option 3. Ginger tea. Slice a small piece of fresh ginger and add it to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for a few minutes before drinking. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory that can soothe the digestive tract and reduce bloating. It's a great way to wake up your gut and support healthy digestion. How to use these morning drinks? Pick the one that appeals to you most. Drink it on an empty stomach, about 20 minutes before breakfast. Make it a daily habit for the best results. Try them out and let me know which one is your favorite. Your gut will thank you.
Subscribe for more healthy tips.